what comes in a brown box, and it's from Tijuana, Mexico. So these lock sets are garbage. This one, I actually could warranty this the way it's peeling, but I'm going to rob the one from the front door and put it over here. It's in better shape, but the problem is the front door, the other front door, same exact handle, broken. Been 3 weeks broken. $108 to buy one of these things at your local home improvement store. So I'm not going for that. So on the box on another handle that we replaced recently, lifetime warranty. So I wondered how good, lifetime guarantee. I wonder how good is that? Apparently it is good. Simple thing, email, take a picture of what's broken, take a picture of what it looked like. They actually matched it. I'm surprised. And long time. It said 7 to 10 days. It was more like 3 weeks. Beginning of like May, we did it. Like whole new set, different lock on the back too, which I like that lock better than the lock we have. So there we go, whole new thing. These are like $108 here to buy it, and that's surprising. And it cost me just an email and a picture. That's all it cost me. So a good company to deal with, I guess, because I broke many of these door handles, and I never noticed lifetime guarantee. I didn't even think it. But I'm not saying that you should go abuse it, because then it changes policy. I already screwed that up with other companies making videos like that, like Maglite, which I got free flashlights when the batteries were stuck on them. Now they changed their policy. Don't brag about it, but there we go. No one watching my videos anyway. But if you have one of these style ones or other quick set or whatever, look at the warranty. Contact the company, same like I do with the tools and the other stuff. I have I contacted American Standard. They're at 10-year warranty. I need a part for my toilet, they might send it. And a couple other companies, you know, I get stuff a lot broken. A lot of times they don't even want the old shit back. They send them a picture. The company wants to make you happy. That's the deal. So that is awesome. We gotta throw this on, but it's record-breaking heat here in Condo World. It's hot. It's only gonna get hotter apparently. And I was trying to match this up at the local home improvement store. They did not have anything that was similar with the back handle. That's like that. All they had was a round ball. So that's awesome. And this one actually broke too, but I fixed it. So when it breaks again, yeah, I think you gotta get another phone call. Like I said, this one's peeling. I don't know. So that's just awesome. I broke so many of these damn handles. I replaced one actually. Me and the crazy guy. I don't know, maybe like 2 months ago at a doctor's office. But we billed them for the amount. But we could have actually. Next time one breaks, I'm just gonna call the company. And yeah, we'll get another one. Amazing. Oh, there's that green lizard again. Check this guy out. This is like someone's pet. I've never seen one this green. There's 2 of them. It's like a reincarnation of someone. Old friend, pet. Check this thing out. That's always at my house. That's just cool. Gotta take care of that buddy. Lime green. Never seen the lime green one in 10 years. They're usually a darker green. And there's 2 of them. I hang up there on the gutter. The other guy will be around in a little bit. He's cool. Gotta take care of them. They eat the bugs.